This negative sign is multiplication by a negative. So we have multiplication by a negative. That multiplication by a negative, it's on the outside, right? It's on the outside. So we're going to say it belongs with the y. If it belongs with the y, it is a vertical transformation. And once again, when we're multiplying a negative, we could say the same. Well, we're going to multiply by a negative. So that means we're going to multiply by a negative. But when you multiply the negative, it's kind of its own thing in a sense that you don't have to remember same or opposite because it's a vertical reflection. Okay, so we go and we look, where does it say vertical reflection? The vertical reflection is going to be a yes. Okay, and we're just going to keep working our way through the problem. So we have the negative. Now let's take care of the 1/2. Well, 1/2 is really just division by 2. So we have division by 2. Okay, and this is most definitely on the outside. And it belongs with the y, which means it's going to happen vertically. And this one, we kind of want to remember it's the same because division is going to be a compression. So it's going to be a vertical compress by 2. So here we just, it is a compression, but we write the word compress. So we look for vertical compression. So vertical, vertical compression's right here. So we're going to write compress by 2. Okay. And let's keep going. We're going to keep going. Every add, subtract, multiply, divide we see, we're going to write something about it. This is -3. Well, -3 is on the inside. If it's on the inside, it belongs with the x. And it does, it's going to happen horizontally. And it does the opposite. Right? X does the opposite. So the -3, that's a shift, right? So we would love for it to go to the left 3, but it doesn't because it does the opposite. We're going to go to the right 3. Okay, so for the horizontal shift, that's going to go to the right. It's going to go to the right 3. All right. So let's see. We got any more numbers? We do. We have a +2. So the +2, this one is on the outside, which means it belongs with the y, which means it is vertical. And it does the same. So if it's on the outside, it's going to be a vertical. So this does what we want. We want plus to go up. So it's going to go up 2. So for vertical shift, we're going to write up 2. Okay. And then for everything else, we're done. We did everything, right? The square root is the parent function. So for everything else, we're going to write 0. So there's the whole problem. We're going to stop it here. I think a real good